Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can transfer Etsy listings to Shopify. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, is to drop a like on this video. That would be highly appreciated. Now let's get started right now. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you wanna log into your Shopify, okay, store. Now, after you log into your Shopify store, you wanna click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you wanna click on apps and sales channels. And then you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. All right, so now after that, you want to search for Importify. Okay, Importify. All right, now after, guys, you search for Importify, this is the app that you need to download. It's called Importify Easy Dropshipping. Click on it, and then you want to click on install. All right, now after, guys, you install the app, confirm that, just click on install again. And then the Importify app only gives you like 1 day free trial. Okay, so you want to select here the basic one, and you don't have to pay this $14 right now. Okay, it says here import unlimited products from our supported websites. Amazon is not supported on this plan. Now you want to click on select, and then you want to click on approve. Of course, you can cancel this before 1 day ends. Okay, so they only give you, like I said, 1 day free trial, so you will have to cancel like after you import all the products. Then you want to uninstall, like delete the app from your Shopify store. Okay, you can do that by going to settings and apps and sales channels, find the app, and you will find three little dots next to the app, and then delete it, okay, before 1 day ends. Now what you guys need to do now is to go to open a new a new tab, and then search for Importify extension. Okay, now you want to search for Importify product importer Chrome extension, and this is the extension. You just need to download it. Okay, add it to your Chrome, and then click on add extension, and make sure you pin it in the top. Okay, now you wanna go to this extensions icon, click on it, and then you wanna just pin this in the top. Okay, click this pin button. All right, now after you see the extension in the top, now you wanna go to Etsy and find any product you want to import to your own Shopify store. Now, for example, I would like to import this product. Okay, as you can see, you can import as many products as you want. Okay, for example, I would like to import this product with like multiple sizes, multiple colors. Now after you are on the product page on Etsy, just need to click on the extension in the top, and then click on import now. And then you can also make some changes before importing this product to your Shopify. Like you can also like delete some images. If you want to select all images, you want to click on images, select all, and then click on products here, and then scroll down and click on add to store. And as you can see, adding product to your store, you just need to wait a few seconds. And as you can see, we have successfully created the product page. Now you want to go to your Shopify store to check if the product is imported to your store or not. So I'm going to check. Yeah, this is the product. Okay, it's actually with like different images, as you can see, different sizes. Now that's exactly, guys, how you can import products from Etsy to Shopify. Okay, so you want to import as many products as you just open all these products in a new tab, just like this. Right click, open, right click, open, and then click on this extension in the top, and then click on import now. That's exactly how you can do this one by one to import them to your Shopify store. Now, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. If you have like any questions, drop a like, and see you guys next video.